Listen, you guys, couple yedu iya yatakafarira zvikuru Mama V and Lorraine Guyo vasvika pakurambana. Hey chit fam, hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ash, and I'm happy guys to be back with another interesting video with another bang today, as we are going to discuss about Mama V and Lorraine Guyo's breakup. So Lorraine Guyo wrote on Facebook yesterday, I got, hey there people, I'm addressing some serious stuff here. It's with heavy heart that I announce my breakup with Admire. After careful thought and respect for both of us, I realized it's just not worth the trouble. The huge stroke was when he had a video with kwaRoyal Mint and doesn't choose me. Yeah, that's the thing. Dear Admire, I wish you all the best and may God bless you in your next relationship. So guys, that was the post of Lorraine Guyo, and a lot of people, they were like, yeah, Lorraine, you're joking, it's just a social media thing, what. Then Mama V as well replied vachiti ina ndingomuke ndakarambwa what royal mindaka ndingorambwa kwese kunge dhula rakabharuka. Then today guys, Lorraine apa anyora futi akati, my ex new girlfriend is trying too hard. Relax fellas, I ended the relationship, not the other way around. So I think this is true, and mukatarisa, they've never traveled together. Even Marukun's Evil is a couple, but they've never traveled together. So guys, before we deepen in the story, before we do a chit chat, before we come up with the real discussion about this relationship, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Make sure you comment down below if you also aware of this or what you think about this relationship. And also let's welcome our new members to the family. Welcome guys to this family of love and good vibes. We love you. We appreciate you so much, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for loving us, and thank you for staying. So what do you think, guys, about the whole relationship? Lorraine Guyo na Mama V, is it masked or is it real? Is it kuti pano mwari kunyebera mumwe achibvuma? What is really happening? Because I'm white here, Lorraine uri chembere kuna Admire, but a lot of people, they're like, Lorraine ari respect her. And since then, guys, Lorraine and Admire have been together. If you check, I think this is the 3rd year they've been together. Maybe they started as friends, and then after friends, you know, a boyfriend and a girlfriend. And also there's a video that I posted here, Lorraine achipa Mama Admire a handbag. Achiwa Mama, this is what I got from Dubai. Can you please take this as my present? And Mama wakafara wakatenda wakatewaita komrora. And there are also screenshots of Mako's Anita Mama Admire as Makoti. And I'm going to take a cover up, guys. I didn't say that. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys, and we can have a chit chat, okay? So that we know, is it true? What's the relationship between Admire and kwaRoyal Mint? I'm sure not even this year. There's also a certain time last year yakanetsa nyaya yechinzi unyatsoda ani wewe taura wari kuda Admire between kwaRoyal Mint and Lorraine Guyo. Then he was like, ndoda mese. So what is happening? What is happening, guys? Let me know. I honestly, but when I saw the post in Lorraine Guyo again, at first I thought maybe kids, but when I saw the post again, I was like, okay, so this thing is a real thing. So what you think? Let me know, guys, in the comment section. And we are on the road to 10K subscribers, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you so much. So yeah, guys, I'll see you again on the next video, and be in the comment section. Bye, guys.